So the GoPro turned off because it was too hot. We were taking the ribbons off. I messed up. I said there were 2 ribbons. There are actually 3 ribbons. This one goes on top. This one goes underneath it. Right there and right there. Then we got this one that we took off. But remember, it's got some adhesive right down in there. So we're just gonna gently pull it away. Don't rush through it, just keep the same constant pressure on it. And it pops right off. That's what it looks like underneath. All right. First this, then this, then this. Okay, what do we take off now? Let's take off this white plastic cover. Hey, Kal-El.
Yeah?
Did you know that some of these screws inside the MetaQuest were already loose?
So that thing could have fallen at any moment?
No, not fall at any moment, but it's just...
That RAM.
Yeah, it's super dirty. All this is full of dust. This is your fan. We're gonna clean all this out though, buddy. Everything. This thing's gonna be like...
Spark.
freaking new when we're done, buddy. Va a ser tremendo, brother. Okay? No, you can't expand the GoPro Hero 13. The GoPro Hero 13, you have to set the zoom level, and that's it. If you want to go closer, you kind of move it closer, but look what I'm showing the people. Look, come here. Come here. Before you go back and play, what are you playing on PlayStation 5?
And Grand Theft Auto.
Grand Theft Auto 5?
Mm-hmm.
You can't wait for GTA 6, can you?
Nope.
Then you got order of removal. I took this off, I took this off, then I took that off. No dusting off stuff. Not while we have open components. All those things will be dusted individually. What are you, madman? Okay, so now these again are shorties. These screws, like the same short ones. And then these are long ones. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bruh. Bruh. Trooper, it is not that serious, bro. Alright, so to jog our memory the right way, we're just going to put the screws back where they go. Boom. 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 We took this off. Okay, these two screws right here in front, you gotta remove them. Man, I'm sorry. If this lighting's bad for me, I can only imagine what it is for you.